I was diagnosed, I started having a lot of pain in my left hip. Went to my doctors about 3 months ago. I was diagnosed with severe osteoarthritis. And with my age, I did not want to go through the traditional left hip surgery. So I did my research and I found this place in Framingham, Mass. Skeptical a little bit, but was willing to try anything but the traditional hip surgery. Tried it out. My pain sometimes was a 10 out of 10. I started limping, refused to use a cane. Came here, had my first transplant done September 4th. And 1 month post-op, came back today, October 10th. And at the 1 month mark, which was October 4th, 0 pain. I was supposed to have 3 series of PRP shots, but I was told today by the wonderful doctor that I can hold off on the 3rd one. And we just play by ear. If I have any pain, I can come back. So I do highly recommend this. I don't know what's going on, but something definitely changed. So I would definitely, and I was able to go to work. I had maybe 2 days off, and then I went back to work that weekend. So I highly, highly, highly recommend it with taking the supplements, no alcohol, and physical therapy.